Hi there. Today I'm going to run through a mobile application built for capturing customer information or beneficiary details of Mission Bagiradha project launched by Government of Telangana. And this application is basically built on a PWA concept, a progressive web application where user can hit URL in the browser and get it and added to the home screen, which will work as a native application. Let's get started. So this is the URL. Where user can explicitly add to its home screen by clicking on add to home screen button. It is in process. Yeah, now it is added. It is here. After successful login, one would see a dashboard with a segment dropdown on the top left, and the map which shows a Telangana boundary. And let's get started exploring the functionalities of application. So from the drop down where user is allowed to select segment, let's select a segment. So after selecting, one will notice a respective segment network is highlighted on the map, which includes point features like sex structures, habitations, and line features like gravity main and pumping main. So in the slider, there are two buttons on the top. One is for grid and another for MB tab. So one is to view segment high level data and another is to start customer OHSR survey. Let's get started with grid. In the grid module, one can see the segment abstract, which contains district and population, UL base, constituencies, mandals, panchayats, habitations, major structures, services or wires, consumers, pump sets. One can further drill down in any of the card. So for example, it is a population, and this segment is divided in two districts, it's Mancherial and Nirmal. And in the background one can see the analytics in the pie charts. You can further drill down in the panchayats also, sorry, in the pie charts also. And that's it. And if you want to collapse it, and then the background pie chart will also collapse. Each section contains two more modules. One is structure and another is coverage. So one can select structure to the above drop down. So this drop down will show you all the possible structures available in this Kadam reservoir, so Kadam segment. And if I click on one of the structure type, IW is refers to intake well, and one more drop down is populated, and if I click on this, so there's only one intake well in this segment, NIW Kadam reservoir. So if I click on this NIW the Kadam reservoir, so I can see the structure abstract. This is same as a segment abstract. Everything is same as a segment abstract. So I can drill down where I can see its analytics, and I can even collapse it. And the structure coverage is being highlighted on the map, and so I can also see its coverage. And this coverage section contains 4 more sections. OHSR HAB refers to habitation, GM refers to gravity main, and PM refers to pumping main. And if I click on any of the card, so I can see it on the map. Yes, there it is. Same with habitation, same with gravity main, same with pumping main. That's it. So let's get started with the second module in BitHub, where user is allowed to capture details of consumer or OHSRs. And so we will start with consumer, and he's allowed to select which habitation he would like to capture information. So let's start. Then I'm selecting Ilambari Tanda, and I can see 3 buttons on the top: pending, processing, and completed. So pending refers to how many consumer cards are not yet captured, and completed refers to how many cards, how many consumers are being captured. And where processing refers to how many cards are captured in offline mode. And I will also explain how to capture in offline. So let's get started. So I can also search these cards by entering. So if I want to pick Yamuna Devi, I just need to put Yamuna Devi. It's like this. Just click. So this is a consumer information capturing template, where you can give consumer information like his name, care of, house number, Aadhaar card, tap type, and individual, institutional. So in case of institutional, you need to give one more field category and which category he belongs to. There are so many categories. And if you are individual, just keep individual, and you can collect geolocation. So you can also see the previously captured points. So if I click on this, I can see its name. sorry, a consumer's name. And if I want to put the geolocation somewhere else, the subnet. So in this way I can capture images. So I can also select my OHS address, so from which OHS address my connection is linked to, and I can also give a phone number. It should be exactly 10. Okay, so after pressing submit, it will submit. But if I want to capture in offline mode like this, I just switch off my mobile phone and submit. So it will get added to the processing section. So when I have a sufficient internet, I just click the sync button. Done. Done. So that I can see 4 consumers are being captured. With OHSR module, same as consumer, user is allowed to give select habitation. So I'm selecting Lombardy Tanda. So I can see one OHSR is available in Lombardy Tanda. Same as consumer. So user can give the landmark, GPS location, and one image of OHSR, and press submit. And so if you want to capture in offline mode, and just shut down your internet and submit, it will get consolidated in process button, and when you have internet, and press sync button, same as consumer. So this is all about mobile application.